Today's sessions are going to be kicked off by an introduction by Jason Whitty, the CISO from JP Morgan Chase, followed by two panel discussions. The first panel will be what are we doing? And it will cover recent projects and efforts by regulators and central banks, by the financial industry and industry groups, and in the international policy and diplomacy world, and all of those efforts to strengthen cyber resilience in finance. The second panel today and last panel of the conference will be what's next, chaired by Jay Healy. And that's going to be a session on what are the looming threats and what are the new approaches and the steps that the public and the private sector are going to need to take in the future to mitigate cyber risk to financial stability. I think after the last few days we've all had in terms of both attacks and news, this is an incredibly important topic. But without further ado, let's get going. I want to start by introducing Jason Whitty. Jason is the head of cybersecurity and technology controls, the chief information security officer at JP Morgan Chase. He has a long career in the financial services industry and at JPMC. He also happens to be the chair of the FS-ISAC, the Financial Services Information Sharing and Analysis Center. I want one note, and that is that Jason's introductory remarks will be under Chatham House rule, means that you can use what you hear, but please don't attribute it to an individual or an institution.